Hey there, folks! Today, I've got a fantastic video for you, where I've dug through over 100 verified buyer reviews to bring you the 3 absolute best pickleball paddles under $160. Get ready to find your perfect paddle, and don't forget to check out today's prices in the description below. Let's dive in. Rally PXL Graphite. The Rally PXL Graphite Pickleball Paddle has garnered a wide range of reviews from customers. Many buyers are impressed with the product, highlighting its ideal weight, balance control, and the extra length that provides better reach. The paddle's customer service also receives praise for its responsiveness and adherence to the warranty, demonstrating a commitment to customer satisfaction. The mishap of receiving the wrong color doesn't seem to impact the overall enjoyment of the paddle. Several new players express their satisfaction with the paddle, whether they're beginners or transitioning from other racket sports like tennis. The grip size, paddle length, and performance make it an excellent choice for both novices and seasoned players. The general consensus is that this paddle offers exceptional value for its cost, with a good balance of spin, power, and control. However, there are a few negative reviews among the mix. Some users experienced issues with the handle breaking relatively quickly, while others found the grip size too small. It's worth noting that personal preferences and expectations can vary. In summary, the Rally PXL Graphite Pickleball Paddle appears to be a versatile option that caters to a broad range of players, offering great performance and value for the majority of its users. Some issues like handle durability and grip size could be minor concerns for a subset of customers. ONIX Graphite Z5. Based on the feedback from various verified buyers, the ONIX Pickleball Paddle appears to be a versatile and popular choice for players, particularly beginners and intermediate players. The construction and durability of the paddle are well regarded, with a robust build and high-quality craftsmanship ensuring longevity. It also offers a range of weight options to cater to different player preferences, providing a suitable paddle for various playing styles. Buyers appreciate the comfortable and effective grip, minimizing the chances of the paddle slipping during intense moments. The texture of the paddle surface enhances spin on the ball, making it suitable for catching opponents off guard and providing a good balance between power and control. The paddle's sound upon ball contact is described as solid and satisfying, giving players valuable feedback on the quality of their strikes. Aesthetically, the ONIX paddle is commended for its sleek design, adding style to the game. Some buyers recommend considering other options if you're planning to invest more later on. The material of the paddle, graphite versus carbon fiber, and alternatives like the Vatic Pro Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm are suggested for those looking for an immediate upgrade. However, many buyers find the ONIX Z5 to be a great value paddle for both beginners and intermediate players, praising its control, power, and spin. Some mention that it's a loud paddle, but this is a matter of personal preference. In conclusion, while the ONIX Z5 is labeled as a beginner's paddle, it seems to serve well for a range of players, providing solid performance and value for those starting out or looking for a reliable, affordable option. Gearbox CX14E. The ProKennex ProSpeed View paddle has received mixed reviews from verified buyers. While some customers found the rounded shape to be a hindrance, leading to returns, others appreciated its benefits. One user with tennis elbow noted a significant reduction in vibration and improved performance. The oval shape was particularly favored, ensuring more accurate shots. Female users with smaller hands also found the grip to be suitable. On the positive side, advanced players commended the paddle for its lightweight feel, good control, and power on serves. A long-term user reported outstanding power, speed, and maneuverability, expressing love for the paddle's design. However, some buyers faced issues with handle durability, with one user experiencing wobbliness after just a few weeks of use. They expressed disappointment and concerns about a potential manufacturing defect. The paddle's slim design and protection were lauded by those transitioning from other racket sports, while others praised it for providing relief from tennis elbow. In summary, the ProKennex ProSpeed View paddle offers a mixed experience for buyers, with notable benefits for tennis elbow relief and improved gameplay, but also concerns about handle durability. Thanks for watching. If you want more details and links to these paddles, check out the video description below. Don't forget to click those links and find your perfect pickleball paddle.